Brian Young with ProTinker, Brian Young with ProTinker, ProTinkerToys.com. Hey, I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos on cars, 1/32 scale, different type of cars, what cars you might like. And the first one we're going to do is a fly car, Renault, 96073 Renault, a Renault 5 Turbo. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not an expert of cars, okay? Of types of cars and the history behind cars. I just like the product, okay? And I think it's fun. All right, so that's the Turbo. And this is not a bad car. It's a side mount tire. See how the motor, side mount motor with the large gear on the outside here. Got your magnet right here and your motor right here. We'll take that apart before we drive it. Let's unscrew that baby. This is what you should always do before you buy your car. No, before you rent your car. Okay. And don't forget, side note, if you're still wanting SCX Advance, send lots of emails to Spain. Okay, so this is a pretty cool car. Look at all the detail they put on the inside. They got the little drivers. See, they even got their feet sticking out. These are the seat belts that they're got on. Pretty cool, huh? Nice detail for that. Then you got it's a simple car. You know, you got your simple motor, direct to the motor. This is just a Bushi motor, just a standard. This motor right here has been built, gosh, since 1970s. I remember buying toys with car motors like that in it. Probably the most standard motor on earth. Nice motor too. Okay, and then you got a nice little, it's just a nice little, it's a fast car. This is a fun little, this is a fun car, nice speed. Okay, got a nice motor, contact to the motor. You got long braids here. You want to push those up a little bit, get them a little, so you got good contacts on the track. Let's put this body on here. The way the body is designed, it kind of stays in without the screws. You really don't need them, but you should use them. Nice, quiet, nice little fun car. It's just another great car to get in your collection. Oh, you want me to drive more? Okay. I'll drive real slow. Look at that. And that's the Renault 5 Turbo Fly 96073, ProTinkerToys.com.